But we have a feedback na may nagrereklamo sa House that one of those issued an ILBO is a congressman. Certain Mr. Beltran. I don't know him eh. Hindi ko siya kilala eh. I think he's a party list representative.
Hindi naman kasama mo siya, sir, sa hindi naman. Ano po yung concern niya?
Hindi, kasi kasama siya sa ILBO eh. Kasama sa names requested by Senator Marcoleta. Eh, kami naman, ministerial sabi niyan eh. Pag nag-request, we will issue. Because that's what the job entails. Maraming safeguards kasi on the right to travel and we can only do so much in accordance with the available jurisprudence and court rulings.
Yung congressman, sir, na nasa ILBO, ano po yung nirereklamo?
Na kung bakit siya kasama. Eh, sabi kasi, it's ministerial for us to issue the order. Hindi kami pwedeng i-exempt namin yung isa dahil may posisyon. Hindi po ganoon yung trabaho namin dito. We have to call a spade a spade. Kung yan ang listahan, yan ang ilalabas namin. Diba? It's fair. I'm sorry.
Pero would you know kung anong...
Kung hindi nga nagreklamo sila, hindi ko nga malalaman. I didn't even know. I didn't even ask him yet. I haven't asked him. Basta yun ang kasama sa listahan niya. He has his reasons. I mean, the Blue Ribbon Committee always has a history of having a lot of reliable informants. And I would trust that they know what they're doing, of course. Hindi naman sumulat. Gave a few phone calls here and there. And na-alarm lang kami na, well, I'm sorry, di ba? Hindi po namin piniling gawin yan. It's not an arbitrary decision on our part to put a name of a congressman there. It's just that he happened to be in the list submitted by the Blue Ribbon Committee chairman. Of course, we respect the Blue Ribbon Committee.
Yung tawag niya po ba inihiling niya, natanggalin yung pangalan niya o nagre-reklamo lang?
Hindi ko alam eh. Actually, hindi kasi ako yung nakausap eh. May feedback lang ako. I think they called some of my staff or one of my undersecretaries or assistant secretaries.
So, ano po yung project kung anong construction company siya?
Hindi ko na alam. We maybe better that we ask Senator Marcoleta. Ferdinand Beltran.